Friday is Red Planet Day, a day to celebrate Mars. But honestly, I don't think we should be celebrating. I think we should be worried. Because while everyone is looking at the pretty pictures, NASA found something on the surface last week that they cannot explain. And at the exact same time, satellites around Earth started jamming our ability to listen. They are trying to make you look away. But we are going to look closer. Let's start with the physical evidence. Meet Phipps Axler. NASA's Perseverance rover found this sitting in the middle of Jezero Crater just days ago, a distinctive black and white striped rock formation. These unusual patterns stand out from typical Martian geology. Look closely at the striped patterns against red Martian dust. This isn't like the red dust around it. It is black and white. It is striped. It looks sculpted. Here it sits beside typical Martian rocks for comparison. Subtle differences become clear. The mystery deepens under scientific scrutiny. Geologists are baffled because it is a loose stone, meaning it didn't form there. It was dropped there. NASA says it might be from a meteorite impact, or it might be something else entirely. A marker, a remnant, but a rock is just a rock, right? Wrong, because the planet itself is breathing. Sensors have picked up massive, unexplained spikes in methane gas coming from the subsurface. On Earth, methane usually comes from living things. On Mars, it appears and disappears like a heartbeat. We used to think Mars was a dead world, but dead worlds don't breathe, and dead worlds don't leave striped markers on the surface for us to find. Look at what just flew past Mars, Comet 3I Atlas. Harvard scientists, including Avi Loeb, have pointed out that this object didn't move like a normal comet. It accelerated. It defied gravity. Its features are unusual. The object appears more structured than a typical comet, with subtle details suggesting artificial elements. Its appearance remains photorealistic yet mysterious. The theory? It wasn't a rock. It was a probe, a scanner. It flew by Mars, took a reading, and accelerated away. And right after it left, we found the Zebra Rock. Is it a coincidence? Or did the visitor drop something off? And here is the final piece of the puzzle, the cover-up. Right now, as I speak, SpaceX Starshield satellites have started broadcasting on a specific frequency band, 2025 to 2110 megahertz. Here are radio frequency interference patterns. Visualizations show static and jamming signals. The data suggests deliberate interference. This is a forbidden frequency, usually reserved for radio astronomy. They are blasting static. They are jamming amateur listeners. Why block our ears right now? What signal is coming from Mars that they don't want us to hear? Maybe Mars isn't just a dusty red rock. Maybe it's waking up, and we just rang the doorbell. Subscribe to Weirdish if you want the truth. Happy Red Planet Day. Stay paranoid.